Hello everyone, welcome you all to the first session for the data analytics. My name is Rahul Mishra and I will be your tutor for this session. In this session, we'll learn about what is data analytics and what are the different types of data analytics that are there. So in order to understand what is data analytics, I would like to share you a story with you. So there was a vegetable seller who used to put up his cart in one particular street for past few months and he used to sell his vegetables there, and there were other shops as well. One day there was a guy who was every day doing shopping for the vegetables from this particular shop, and one day he did not find that this vegetable guy, he was not there. After a few days, this the guy, he found that same vegetable shop guy selling his vegetables in another street. Out of curiosity, he asked him, why did you shift your shop from that place to here, and now I don't find you there? So the vegetable seller, he said, sir, there are the people in that area, they do a lot of bargaining, and since there are other shops also available for them, I cannot put up a good price for my vegetables, and I have to do compromise. So I shifted to this place, and I found out that people in this area, they don't do much of bargaining. So the other guy, he asked him, so how do you know that people in this area, they will not do bargaining? How did you know? He said, I figured out that if the car is big, and if it is of a bigger brand, people will have good money and less time, and then they will do no bargaining or maybe less bargaining. So you see, a vegetable guy, he had some data points, and he did some analysis, and he came up with an outcome for his business, and he took up a step. He shifted his shop from one location to another location. Now imagine a Walmart where he has a lot of stores, and a lot of transaction is going on in his in Walmart. And if Walmart has to take some decision, the data points would be huge. So what do you do? So in such kind of scenarios where the data is used, you require some kind of sophisticated tool in order to come up with some result. Okay, so what are you doing? You have a raw data or unorganized data, and you want to generate some insights out of it. That is data analytics for you. What is data analytics? In data analytics, you'll get some raw data, the unorganized data, and you will generate some insights out of that. What are those insights? Those insights can tell you how much was the sales for last quarter, for last months. What were the products which were star in your retail shop? What were the transactions in any bank that were fraudulent? These are few of the insights which you can generate from the unorganized data or from the raw data that you have. And there are different terminologies that you would have heard: data analytics, data science, data mining, statistics. Although there are subtle differences in these terms, but in and all, they do the similar thing. You get the unorganized data, get the raw data, and generate the insights. Now, what are the types of data analytics? This is a famous diagram from the Gartner. And in this diagram, you can see that there are four types of analysis. So one is descriptive analysis. In this descriptive analysis, you would answer a question, what happened? That means how much sales, how much sales have happened in last year or last quarter. Okay. In the next step, you would in the next analysis is diagnostic analysis. In the diagnostic analysis, you would answer a question: why did it happen? Why did my sales go down? Why did my sales go up? Why is it happening? You would answer a question: why? The third type of analysis is predictive analysis. In the predictive analysis, you will answer something which is going to happen in future. What will happen? So if you are an organization and you want to, you have introduced a new product in the market. So you want to see how that product will behave. How much quantity should I produce so that there is no lack of product in the market. Okay. The fourth type is prescriptive analysis. In this type of analysis, you prescribe something like a doctor to the organization, that what are the steps that you need to do to achieve something. What are the different mediums of marketing that you need to take? What should be the marketing budget for the organization if they want to increase their sales? So these are four types of analysis. First is descriptive analysis, where you have the data and you answer the question, what happened? Then the diagnostic analysis, you answer the question, why did it happen? Then third is predictive analysis, where you predict what will happen in the future. And then fourth is how to make it happen, how to increase the sales.